Hi, welcome to our house. My name is Dr. Ankur Kadam. I work as a senior manager in a semiconductor company in Mumbai.
Hi, I am Deepa Kadam. I am a homemaker. Welcome to our house. प्रॉपर्टी बाय करने के बाद हम लोग ढूंढ रहे थे गुड इंटीरियर. वन डे आई सॉ हर एड, ANS design ad. It's a kids room design and we just love it. And I like the colors and the freshness of that particular room, kids room. So that's why I approached to Shivangi, and it's the right person to approach.
So when we decided to put a house together, right, we really did not want it to be very classic in nature, not very rebellious or like a maverick, like a teenager, right? We wanted something in between because that is how the combination of a family is, right? I have a teenager son and I'm already pretty old now, right? So we really wanted something that will give both mix of both of them. So if you look at our house, you will see we have used a lot of plain colors to give the classy look, but at the same time we have a lot of florals also inbuilt to give that mischievous look. And I think that is how that was our thought, and I think it has really come out good. Talking about the experience, right? This is very interesting. When I was thinking about that, I think the only word that comes to my mind is self-revelation, and let me explain to you that, right? So as I said, right, we had some ideas in our mind, but as we started working, and then when we used to intermittently visit our site, we never felt that this is going to turn out to be the way we wanted it. So we were we had our own doubts, right? So the thing is that both ANS and like Shivangi and Amol, they were very comforting, reassuring us, don't worry, because I do believe that, because we are new, but these guys are in the industry for more than 15 years, so they can clearly envision how this would end up into. And to be very honest, it has really come out the way it is. So the experience was self-revealing for myself, I could never imagine the way it was happening would really turn out to be this way. But yes, that's a big thing, and it was really pleasant. The entire team was very good, very understanding, very accommodating. We were also having our own opinions, they really blended it pretty well with their own thoughts. And I think the product that has come out is really amazing, and we are very happy with it.
घर कंप्लीट होने के बाद फर्स्ट पेरेंट्स का रिएक्शन वाज ऑसम. दे लव द हाउस, कलर कॉम्बिनेशन, ऑल द गेस्ट, एक्चुअली आवर फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो. माय पेरेंट्स लव द मंदिर. Basically the main thing for them, mandir is the best thing in our house.
So another thing that guests really liked were the light effects, right? हमने काफ़ी सारे combinations किए जहाँ पे हमको हर एक different किस्म के mode मिल सके, like one with a bright, one with like really like dim color, depending on our mood. So all of that has been embedded in this feature. So हमको तो अच्छा लगा ही, but I think that was one of the key differentiating factor जो हमारे guest लोगों ने easily notice भी किया, and they really appreciated that. हमने थोड़ा automation भी किया है घर में, and I think the entire combinations, whatever space we had, we really made it look like it is very open, very well lit, and I think that has come out really good. मेरा favorite part of the house, undoubtedly it is my kids' rooms. दोनों का theme अलग है. Like Adi, he likes the football, so the way we have made it, there is a huge football cutout, as well as Messi, he's like super duper fan of his, right? So he has him with him during his, just next to his bed. So that's one good thing. And my little one, she's
pink,
very much into pink. Yes, yeah. Pink is a favorite. So the entire room is of pink, and we try to make some clouds. I think so. Those two are the best part of our house. I think there is a very good detail attention has been provided to every small aspect of it. Most of our furniture doesn't have edges; they're well rounded. The heights, though we have done a lot of false ceiling work, but the height doesn't seem to be small.
About living room, my favorite is the console table. Entrance पे ही है. There's the decorative items are there. It's really came out very nice.
The camouflage that you used on a TV panel, वो बहुत मस्त निकल के आया, right? You don't feel that कि there is a room behind there, right? So it just looks like a huge wall, but there is still a door there, which makes your way to the kids' room. I think वो तुम्हारा वो सबसे favorite है. और हमको we also wanted the living room to be very open, because हमको हमारा dining table भी उसी में बिठाना था. So the way we arranged our sofa and the way it was really done, we get the entire openness of the hall. At the same time, अपना dining table also gets well accommodated. Dining table was also very meticulously chosen in the way that the chair ka heights purposely we kept to the height of a table,
Low.
so that the height of the room is not compromised at no corner of this living room. So उसका काफ़ी ध्यान रखा गया था, right? And I think वो सब सोच के the entire combination of dining, उसका color, the floral combination of the chair and the sofa का color and the grey background and the पर्दों का again floral combination. I think वो overall gave a pretty good theme. एक liveliness दिखता है हमको. I mean, it's kind of a little mischievousness आता है उसमें. And I think that is what we really like. We spend most of our time in living room, and guests भी आते हैं, right? At the end of it, when they sit here, and when they look left and right, उनको काफी लगता है, this is really big, grandeur, एकदम काफी बड़ा.
Fresh, new combination.
Freshness is the key thing, right?
Freshness is, yeah.
ANS Design House and Mint Interior, I think दोनों ने they have done a fabulous job. For us, the vision is not there, but they have seen this thing happen over and over in multiple projects, right? So we were always very anxious, nervous, but they were always there with us, rationalizing, explaining to us at every step, how things are going to turn out to be. So all we did is believe in each one of them, right? Each and every member of them, they're very, almost उन्होंने हमारी, they take good care of us. In fact, like being the customer, obviously we are trying to be very irrational at times, but like the way they handled us, the way the things have gone, I think both बढ़ के आए. And I would highly recommend them, Mint Interior and ANS Design House. I think they've done a fabulous job with our house. I think our dream house has come out the dream the way we wanted it, right?
Yeah, thanks for the beautiful house. Thank you Shivangi, Amol and the whole team for the beautiful house. It's a dream house for us. Thank you so much.
And it has really come out the way, the dream that we envisioned. So thanks a lot, guys.
Thank you.
I am sure you have loved the video and the house. If you want to see more such videos, do subscribe to my channel on YouTube by the name Shivangi Shane Phadse. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get the updates of my new videos. Also, you can follow me on Instagram by the same name. So signing off, Shivangi from ANS Design House. Stay tuned for next video. We'll be back soon. Bye-bye.